When I first looked at the Ippon design, it was very different to the ones I've seen in the past. There's multiple features which are a favorite of mine. It's a double story, reverse living, the accessibility. It's quite convenient to people with disability. Double glazed windows which will keep the weather warmer in colder winters. Also the affordability, which is I think the key feature for an investor. Close proximity to the Sunshine Hospital. I was thinking, Airbnb for the interstate patients. Otherwise, rent it out. When my daughter grows up, she might come and live here. I think it's location. Close proximity to the 2 railway stations which are being upgraded at the moment. Shopping centers, hospital. Having 1 to 4 bedroom units will encourage different demographics of people to come and make a great community. Purchasing a Development Victoria project gives me the confidence in a government agency to deliver the project.